everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a clean with me video. It's been a little while since I have filmed one and put one on my channel, so I figured it was time to do so. Today I'm going to be focusing mainly in the kitchen and our bedroom as well as our living room and doing some laundry. And my house is quite messy, and during the week we're pretty busy, so it just kind of takes a back seat to everything else. I am consistently working on trying to improve that, so that way on the weekends I'm not spending most of my time cleaning, but it is definitely something I am working on. We are finally able to pull the air conditioner units out of the windows, I think as of today, since fall has officially moved into our area. So I always get so excited when I get to put those air conditioner units away because they just look so god awful, and we are working on getting a central air unit installed, which is super expensive, but it's definitely something we need to do for our older home. So until then, we have to use these air conditioner units. I have since officially put away all of my spring decoration, which is what I was cleaning up. This was filmed a couple weeks ago and just getting around to editing now. But I have put all of my spring stuff away, and I've pulled all of my fall decor out and thinking about getting the Halloween stuff out now as well, just because I'm kind of feeling like doing it a little bit earlier than what I normally do. So the next video you'll probably see all of my Halloween decor in that video.
Tripping, cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping.
You guys know I'm gonna play this song because I love it so much. It's Alder. It's called Colliding from Epidemic Sound, and I just can never get enough of it. I get stuck in my head for like a week or two at a time. But anywho, one thing I wanted to point out, I don't know if you'll notice, but we did change the colors of our cabinets. We just painted them and decided to kind of test out the color, which seems really weird to do all of that work, but we wanted to really see what color we like since we have plans to get white cabinets. We were trying out this gray. So let me know what you think. Do you think we should go for white, or do you think that we should go for this color gray or a lighter gray? I'm kind of leaning towards more of a lighter gray than this color that we have here, but let me know what you think down below. I'm really curious to hear what your opinion is on the color of the cabinets.
To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way.
One thing you guys are going to see in this video is the amount of stuff that I had on my bureau. And if you know me, you know that I'm a visual person, and I've said it time and time again where I'll put things out as a reminder that I need to do it. So these are all videos that I was waiting to film, and look, just like that, everything cleared away, and I wound up putting it into different containers and moving it into our office. And that's a room, you guys, I don't think you've ever really seen, maybe once or twice before, but yes, I put it all in the office, so it is all nicely stacked in there. But I didn't want to show the tedious process of me putting that away, which now thinking back, I probably should have, but it's all put away nicely, and I decided to just get it out of our room because it was not looking very nice and orderly.
Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there? Are you listening? Is it too late, my dear friend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all
This room is not going to be like this, hopefully, for much, much longer. I found my perfect couch and love seat that I want, and it's way out of our price range, but I'm kind of saving up for it. But I really, really want it, so we're gonna get that. And then we're also going to be replacing our coffee table and our end table, which is just a huge slab of wood, which we've had forever. And then we will obviously replace the rug as well. Yeah, so just super excited to eventually get this room changed up because we've had this furniture for way too long, and we definitely want to get something a little bit nicer and just kind of change up our living room quite a bit.
keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go
So that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a real little view into my world and my mess, but I hope you come back for more. I am starting a Organize With Me series on my channel, which we're going to start in the pantry. So if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and for your continued support. I appreciate you more than you know, and I hope everyone has a fabulous and successful day, and I will see you very soon in the next one.